I love to hear the sound of the wind. Picking up leaves and scattering them far, whipping up the waves on the old sandbar. I like to listen again and again, 'cause I like to hear the sound of the wind. I like to hear the sound of the wind banging on my door like a long-lost friend. I like to hear the whistling wind, the long, strong sound of the whistling wind. I like to see the swaying of the trees as they get moved around with the breeze. Sometimes I wish that it would not end, 'cause I like to hear the sound of the wind. I like to go sailing on a windy day, watching the wind blow my troubles away. I'm very happy with the mood I'm in, 'cause I like to hear the sound of the wind. I like to hear the patter of the wind-blown rain hitting off my roof and window pane. I just can't wait to hear it again, 'cause I like to hear the sound of the wind.